Login or logout. The user needs to log in before performing an operation that requires data exchange with Oracle Fusion. To invoke the login screen, the user either needs to click on the login button or perform an operation that requires a connection with Oracle Fusion. For this demo, I will click on the login button. The first field displays the list of environments supported by the template. Select an appropriate environment. Next, enter the username. Simplified Loader Excel templates use the same login credentials as Oracle Fusion. In the username field, enter the username used to log into Oracle Fusion. In the case of SSO login, enter the SSO username. For your information, the Simplified Loader template remembers the last selected environment and the username. This is to save time with the data input in subsequent login attempts. Select either the SSO or non-SSO login method, depending on how users typically log into Oracle Fusion. SSO. Use the SSO login button if you click the company single sign-on button to log into Oracle Fusion. The company single sign-on button is located on the login page of Oracle Fusion. Clicking SSO login displays a browser window with the Oracle Fusion login page. Follow the usual procedure to log into Oracle Fusion. After successful verification, the user receives a login success message in Excel's status bar located on the bottom left side of the window. Once the user is logged in, clicking the login button again displays the environment and the username logged into the Simplified Loader template. As you see, I am logged into the SLE1 environment with the username Casey.Brown. Non-SSO. Use the non-SSO login method if you usually enter the login name and password on the Fusion login page, i.e., do not use the company single sign-on button. To utilize the non-SSO login functionality, enter the password that you would enter on the Oracle Fusion login page. Now click the non-SSO login button. Clicking non-SSO login will validate the credentials and display a login confirmation message in Excel's status bar located on the bottom left side of the window. Once the user is logged in, clicking the login button again displays the environment and the username logged into the Simplified Loader template. As you see, I am logged into the SLE1 environment with the username Casey.Brown. Log out. After performing operations requiring data exchange with Oracle Fusion, the user can end the session by clicking the Logout button in the Simplified Loader toolbar. I will click on the Logout button. I get the confirmation message saying the user is logged out successfully. Please note that Simplified Loader Excel templates automatically log out when the user closes the template.